Municipalities across the Southeast face a huge challenge: failing underground infrastructure. Utility asset management saves cities and counties literally millions by repairing in place. No excavation, no tearing up roads, no shutting down businesses. The old way, dig and replace, costs millions, disrupts communities, and takes weeks or longer. Our work is built on trenchless technology. Instead of tearing out roads and digging up neighborhoods, we restore failing pipes from the inside, spraying a new structural concrete lining that seals, strengthens, and extends the pipe's life for decades. Underground systems are rarely straightforward. Many culverts have other utilities, gas, water, or other lines running directly through them. These situations demand more than ordinary repair methods. Even when other utilities run through the same pipe, we can repair around them. Other methods are unable to do this, but our Centrifugally Cast Concrete Pipe, or CCCP spray technique, can. And when there's a crisis, like a single spot failure, we're one of the few companies that can do precise spot repairs without repairing the entire manhole-to-manhole sections. We stabilize washed-out soil by injecting cementitious or chemical grout. This fills hidden voids, prevents sinkholes, and can even rebuild missing culvert bottoms. Once stabilized, we spray a new structural lining through the pipe, restoring strength and extending service life for decades. We keep cities moving, save taxpayer dollars, and extend infrastructure life by 75 to 100 years. The smarter, safer way to handle underground repair. Utility asset management proudly serves municipalities and departments of transportation across the Southeast, helping communities protect critical infrastructure without costly disruption. Call today to start saving taxpayers millions now.